Hello, my wonderful family. Thanks for tuning in once again to Vivi's World. Today I have another beautiful and authentic tutorial to show you guys, and it's how to make bracelets. You see it, how it looks so beautiful. So guys, keep watching and see how I get to design these beautiful bracelets. Please, if this is your first time of tuning into Vivi's World, subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. So my family, these are my materials I'll be using to design this beautiful bead. First, I have my needle and my elastic wire, which has been placed. My God. So these are my materials. These are the materials I'm going to be using to design this beautiful bracelet. These are my alphabets that I'll be using to personalize this beautiful pucca bracelet. And these are my beads that I'll be using the designs. And I have my letter box here, my alphabet box. This is where I get my alphabet from. So each letters to make a name for the bracelet. So when you have the name for the bracelet, then you can call it a personalized bracelet. So you also need the scissors. Here I have my scissors here. This is my elastic wire for beading, and I have placed it in the needle to facilitate easy beading or easy sewing. Here at the corner you can see my bead box over there, and then have my kit, also the dark one you're seeing on the table is my kit also, which I have other materials in there. So this is just it. Now we start to fill in the beads one after the other with different colors into the needle, and it goes down to our elastic wire, or you can call it beading wire also. So it goes deep down as you fill it in to get the number or the size you want. Then my measuring tape also, it's at the corner. I have my measuring tape which I use in measuring my elastic or beading wire, because without the measurement you cannot just guess like that and have it done, you know. So it's good to take measurement of the beading wire so you have it accurate. So you can see my measuring tape here, very beautiful. So I'm measuring it to know the gauge and the line of which I'm going to fill in the beads, so it won't be much than what I need. So the most interesting part in making beads is the wire you're using and how you knot it, especially in making bracelets, because you know there are some bracelets you get and it doesn't last you long, you know, but our bracelet is sure and secure because we always double our beading wire. We always make the materials to be double so that it will get tight and last longer, you know. So you can't get this bracelet and say it didn't last you for more than a year, you know. So it should last very, very long because it's very, very well done with calm and with care. So this is it. I'm fixing in now the name to make it not just only a bracelet but a personalized bracelet. So the name here is Yaki, and the complete name is Jacqueline. So you know, in Spanish it's called Apodo Cariñoso. That's affectionate nickname. So like myself, I'm Vivian, and but to have my affectionate nickname, you can call me Vivi. So this one is the same, and her name is Jacqueline. Why her friends do call her Jackie, which is her affectionate nickname. And in Spanish, you can call it Apodo Cariñoso. That's it. Everybody has their nickname, beautiful nicknames. So you see this bracelet, it looks so beautiful. And I want you guys to concentrate more on how I am tying it. So you see the way I'm tying it. I had to pass the needle through the name and get it more secure. So this one is special, over special, special and beautiful. We almost come to the end of the video. I just want to appreciate you all for staying. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to always come back to watch our videos. Please, if you're not using commenting, please try to comment on our video. Your comments makes our day. Your comment matters a lot for us. And don't forget to thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, also subscribe. Put on the notification bell so you always receive alerts or notifications each time we upload new video. Thank you all. You all are amazing and wonderful people. Thank you. I love you all, but don't forget, God loves you most. Keep watching. More tutorials and more beautiful videos are coming up. Thank you. Wow, 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 wow. Just take a look at it. It looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to be adding it to the other beads I have made before I send it to the person that ordered for it. You see the compilation of beads here, the bracelets there.